I can skate. Oh, baby! I can snowboard. And now it's time to surf. Okay, so I've been surfing once. That was in Maui of 2015. I don't have any video footage, just photos. Now, this session, they taught us how to paddle, but when we were surfing, it was in like this small cove. There were easily 100 people learning how to surf at the same time, and when we were learning, we didn't really have to paddle. The instructor just stood on the reef and just pushed us into the wave, and I think I rode one wave. This is actually my first time paddling on a wave and trying to stand up, so we'll see how that goes. So we're heading to Westport, Washington, and we're gonna be surfing at Westhaven State Park. Also gonna be camping. I'm stoked. I'm super excited to try to learn to surf, and if this is fun for me, I seriously might just start surfing. But for now, we're gonna head to Westport and get our surf on. Let's go.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right.
Where you go?
With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. Deeper. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
This isn't an ASMR video.
Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. side by side and through.
That's hard.
All right, is this on the plate?
No limit to what we can do.
What grade?
Kenny, you gotta give that ball to Auntie.
Oh, we know what we